Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan generals. How are you all doing today? I hope you're feeling good. I hope you're feeling Irie because we have an all signs reading for you today and we're exploring the good in the Jamaican style. When something is good, you have to emphasize on it. So we're going to call it the good news coming your way. All right, so get your tea, get your snacks because we are going to get into it. Water and tea, tea sippers. Water and tea, tea sippers. Water and tea. Welcome, tea sippers. Yeah. So, we're going to get straight into this read. So if you are new here, big up yourselves. Welcome to our subscribers. Big up every time. Welcome. Come on in. I hope you've got a nice cup of tea or a beverage of your choice or some water. Okay, I'm sipping on some water today. Okay, just to get that hydration. Okay. So let us know what you are sipping on. Okay, put it in the comments down below. Or if you just want to say hi, you can do that too. Okay, love to engage with you all. So big up yourselves every time. And if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, share and comment. So we are exploring the good news coming your way. Okay, so we have for the all signs: Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Aquarius, Capricorn and Pisces. So we're going to gather those juicy intuitive gems that want to come through. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to start with a tarot segment, okay, with the tarot segment, Jamaican proverb segment, and then we're going to get into those oracle messages that want to come through. Okay, so let's get straight into it, child. All right, let's start with an angel message, and let's see what angel wants to come through in this reading today. For the all signs, good. The good news coming your way for the collective is Mehil. Hope you can see that. The stars. So this is really giving the energy. If you think of in the tarot card, the healing card. Okay, that there's a lot of healing, a lot of blessings, a lot of opportunities to heal and grow, to expand is taking place here. Okay, and if we look at the number again, 1 + 7 gives us 8. Okay, we are currently in the year of the 8 with 2024. Okay, so this is giving a lot of 8 energy, a lot of energy of growth and expansion. So this is a good sign, collective. Take that energy to expand, to grow, to heal, okay, to blossom. Thank you. Any more that wants to come through? Last shuffle. Okay, that's the message, collective. So got to reach for those stars, aim high. And I feel like this is an opportunity. If there's been something that you've been pondering on, thinking about, use this as your opportunity to think about great things. You know, at Wagwan Tarantee, you know, sometimes a lot of the messages are love readings, but we like to, you know, bring in some good energy into the reads, good news, okay, into the readings. So take this as an opportunity or your sign. Okay, if you've been thinking about something that you want to start, you want to do, you want to think about, or you've been thinking about doing, use this as your time to start anew. So what a great way to open this read. So we are going to bring in some of that good gratitude energy. Okay, we've already been blessed with this angel message. So let's have a look and see what wants to come through. So thank you, universe. Thank you, spirit guides. Thank you, guardian angels. Thank you, ancestors, for the messages we're about to receive in today's good news coming your way reading. May the messages resonate with the collective so they can use the messages to strengthen their intuition and to use their discernment every time. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Something's trying to come through. Collective is the energy of the Empress. The energy of the Empress is here, and I can currently see 555. This is telling us there's a lot of transformational energy in the air. Capitalize on that energy. If there's been things that you've been thinking about, you've been wanting to do, whether this could be even new opportunities for love, new opportunities for growth, okay? You know, new opportunities to just embrace and in your femininity, okay? And just enjoy the energy of growth. This is your time, collective. This is your time. Okay. Ooh la la. So we're gonna have a quick look at a Jamaican proverb and see what Jamaican proverb wants to come through for the collective before we begin the all signs segments. So good news coming your way. Good news coming your way. Let's see. Ooh, we have two messages here. So we have crab in a barrel, climb pon one another. Crab in a barrel, climb pon one another. So crab in a barrel will climb upon one another. Okay, so crabs in a barrel will climb upon one another. So this is the message or the energy of like competition, stepping on maybe one's toes, and it feels like the energy is saying, you know, you might be in the opportunities that are coming your way is going to open doors for you. And it's going to open doors where you're going to see things differently. Like perhaps you might be seeing opportunities or things around you where it's kind of in that energy, where it's like a rat race energy, okay? Competition, jealousy. But you're going to, you know, the good news that's coming your way is that it's going to steer you away from this path. Because as we got the message here with the stars and the energy of the Empress, it's telling us that there is growth here for you, okay? An opportunity for you to expand in all areas in your life if you want it, okay? Everyone has free will, so you've got to choose it and take action, okay? We also have, if you can't get the turkey, you have to be satisfied with the John Crow. So I hope you can see that, okay, with the John Crow. Okay, the John Crow, so the crow bird. So if you can't get turkey, then you just have to be satisfied with the John Crow. Now, the message that's coming through here, collective, is a message that sometimes in life we might be striving, trying to, you know, aim for our goals, aim for, you know, things that we have as part of our intentions, our ambitions, or where we want to be. And sometimes perhaps what we have been striving for may not be necessarily be what is part of our soul path, what is truly aligned with us. And it feels like the message that's coming through is, you know, sometimes we don't always get what we want, but be thankful for what you have so abundance can come to you, okay? And I feel like the key message here, collective, is that there is good coming your way, great things coming, but in that period of time, take that time to show gratitude, whether it's for, you know, the little things, the big things that you have in your life, okay? Recognize that sometimes things happen for reasons, things that are seen and unseen, okay? Or is part of the divine's doing for your greater good, but accepting and embracing all of them will help you to just see the beauty that you have all around you, okay? Ooh Ooh la la. Let's have a quick look at the front, the back, and the middle. Yes, look at this, because we can see the Five of Wands. So this can tell us there's an opportunity for you to repair something, maybe work with others, okay? Perhaps some who may have a competitive feel, but it feels like it's also not to be afraid of new challenges, new opportunities, maybe immersing yourself and trying something new that maybe is not familiar with you. I feel like it's also a message to say maybe be mindful of those who may be very competitive. Okay, maybe be mindful of how much you share and how much you give, okay, on your actions and what you plan to do, okay, because we have the Three of Cups here in the reverse. So the Three of Cups in the reverse, I feel like it might be also saying that it might be a good time to just take time to focus on oneself. Perhaps there may have been some third-party issues. Perhaps there's been some of you who's taking some time to heal and work on some things. Perhaps there could have been some arguments. For some of you, take the messages where it resonates. But it feels like the message is saying right now, just take that time to focus on oneself, looking after yourself. Okay, we have the Empress here, and I feel like the Empress is really saying, take that time to nurture and love yourself. Okay, collective. All right, let's have a look and see what's in the middle. Yes, we have the Ten of Swords. So the Ten of Swords is telling us that there needs to be an end to something, okay? Putting an end to something. This could be maybe how you've been thinking in the past. It may have not been serving you. And just to know that perhaps you've been working and working and you feel like every time you're working on your goal, it just feels like it's not getting anywhere. But the message is saying to not give up, you know? The song that's coming through is Don't Stop Believing. Don't stop believing. Keep going, because the message is like you're reaching a moment where things are just coming into order for yourself. So you just got to believe and hold on. Look what's behind here. We have the Chariot. So when you might think, oh, this is the end, but no. It's only the beginning, baby. It's only the beginning. So the Chariot is telling us that new energy is coming your way. So embrace it, honey. Okay? Don't feel no way. Ooh la la. Juicy, juicy. All right. So now that we've done that little segment, okay, collective, we are going to be moving on to the all signs. So check your sun, your moon, and your rising, and we're going to get straight into this all signs. All right. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan generals. So we're on the all sign segment, so we're going to get straight into it. I hope you've got a nice cup of tea, a beverage of your choice, okay? If you haven't already, please do have a look at the little segment we had earlier, just to explore some themes that may come through throughout the all signs reading, okay? So check your sun, your moon, and your rising, because we're going to get straight into it. I'm going to take a big sip before we explore the good news coming your way. All right. All right, so we're starting with Aries. Aries in the building. Big up yourselves, Aries. All right, Aries, let's see what wants to come through for you. And then we're going to pull out an angel card, an angel number oracle. Okay, so let's have a look and see what wants to come through for Aries. A message for Aries, please. Good news coming your way. Good news coming your way. Good news, good news coming your way, Aries. Ooh. So Aries, we have the Nine of Wands and the Three of Cups in reverse. So Aries, it feels like there may have been perhaps there's been some time where maybe you're feeling, let's say you've been working, driving, And perhaps it could also have been there's been some like miscommunications or a fallout with someone recently. Okay, this may resonate with some of you, but it feels like what's coming together is, it feels like there's a message of saying, you know, just taking that time to work on yourself, and also taking that time, it feels like you may get insight to help you to understand maybe why you've been the way you were, or the reason why you are. I hope that's making sense. It feels like with the Nine of Wands, perhaps there's been a lot of time of work, working on oneself, or being busy. It feels like there's also a message about some kind of like defensiveness, and something to do with maybe a friendship group, perhaps a relationship, or perhaps some kind of, it feels like some kind of dishonesty going on in a relationship or connection, or some cheating or some sort. But it feels like there's a message of saying something good is coming your way. But I feel like the message is saying you've got to be open to it, and use this time to work on oneself, use this time to heal, use this time to let go. Okay, we had the message from the guardian angel, may he heal. Okay, in regards to the stars. So I feel like it's even like a look to the stars, call on may he heal, guardian may he heal, and just, you know, help me to see, help me to have insight, help me to release what needs to be released, so that I can welcome new energy into my life. Now, the way the cards unfold is as well, we're going to have a look and see what's going on here. Okay, collective. So we have the Two of Swords. So the Two of Swords in the reverse position is telling us that there could be something, Aries, that you've been thinking about for a while, but you know ultimately that you have to let go. You have to release something. Let us know what's been going on, Aries, because it seems like there's been a lot on your plate. Okay. We also have, yes, the Magician. So your energy is coming through. Okay. And it feels like there has been some things that you know that you having to, maybe you're just feeling like things have not always been working the way that you wanted to, but just know things are coming. It feels like there's something that you have to let go. Okay, whether it's a self-doubting, defensive, closing yourself to opportunities, so not letting anything come in. Okay, perhaps it's, you know, it's worked in the past, so it's not letting bad come through, but it's not letting good come through either. And it feels like that's what it's causing some mishaps. Perhaps for some of you, collective, it's also saying there's a message of like you need to get out there and enjoy. Okay, lively up yourself. Okay. And then we have here, look at this, the Eight of Swords. So this is a good time to work on yourself. This is a good time to work on your projects. This is a good time to, in terms of you just building on yourself, working on yourself. Because look what we have. We have the Five of Wands energy. Okay. So it feels like very much like this is a good time to just work on yourself, heal, repair, let good come into your life. Okay, and embrace that. I feel drawn to pull from here, because look, we have the Knight of Pentacles and it's in the reverse position. So it feels like there's a message of saying perhaps there could be some stubbornness energy going on here, but it's ultimately saying, look, you've got to get out of your way and let things unfold for you. Okay, interesting, because we are exploring the good news coming your way. Gonna try and draw from here, because yes, we have the Five of Pentacles. So it feels like, Aries, there may have been some feelings, of not being good enough, not feeling like you, maybe like opportunities that may have come, you may have felt let down in the past, and the message is saying to let go of those things, let go of those feelings, release those, because look what's here. There could be an opportunity of love coming your way. Okay, that could also be in the horizon. We also see a lot of money, so there could be also an opportunity to be working on yourself, but the message is saying you've got to let go. All right, so let's have a look at an angel number for Aries. Good news coming your way. Good news coming your way, angel. Aries. Good news coming your way for Aries. Good news coming your way for Aries. Good news coming your way for Aries. Good news coming your way. Ay, 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 ay. Aries, we have, look at this, light up. As I said, lively up yourself, light up. Aries, 1414. If you've been seeing this number, if you've been seeing ones, fours, okay, this is a message to say light up. Mood swings, okay, respect, family, constructive outlook and quality. So focus on your needs, desires and hobbies. Everything is more accessible with a light attitude. You will be blessed with new opportunities, a new friend, because this is what we could see in the Three of Cups, okay? Or an addition to your family. Ooh la la. So good vibes will speed the process. So take the messages where it resonates, collective, and leave the rest. But do check your sun, your moon, and your rising. So big up to Aries. Okay. Oh, before we do Aries, actually, we'll give you a love message as well. Love message for Aries. Love message for Aries. Love message for Aries. Aries, we have, look at this. Ay, 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 ay. Aries, let go of control issues. Allow this situation to unfold naturally. So there's a message here about letting go. Just letting go. Look at this person holding on for dear life with the Nine of Wands, holding that wands. They are closing their chakras. Okay, they're not letting anything good, not letting anything else come out, good or anything come in, okay, or come out. So it's about letting go of control issues. So take the messages where it resonates and leave the rest. So big up to Aries. Okay, so we're going to be moving on to Taurus now. Moving on to Taurus now. All right. So big up Taurus. Taurus, check your sun, your moon, and your rising. Okay. Messages for Taurus. Messages for Taurus now. Okay, so let's have a look for Taurus. So good news coming to Taurus. 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 Ay, 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 ay. Taurus, we have here the 10 of Wands in the reverse position. So for the 10 of Wands in the reverse position, Taurus, this is telling us this is a good time to let your hair down. This is a good time to just, you know, put things to one side. Maybe book a vacation. Okay, if you've been having like thinking about something that you would like to do for yourself, it's like saying take this time to be grounded. Take this time to just look after yourself and put some me time in your time. So prioritizing you oneself, okay? Really taking that time, okay? Because it feels like once you start to just maybe focus on yourself a lot more, that new opportunities will come your way. Let's have a look and see what's significant here. Yes, we have the Knight of Pentacles in the reverse position. Okay, so it's telling us ultimately something wants to move a bit quicker. Okay, perhaps there could be some energy of like a little bit of stubbornness, but it's saying like you've got to come out of your way. Okay, and we have here, let's see, the Ace of Pentacles. Yes, you see, there's opportunities that want to come, and it feels like the more you allow yourself to have time or even to give you a chance to have that time, opportunities will come. Because look at this, and it looks like it's well deserved. Okay, we have the Fool. Don't feel no way to take this opportunity or take a chance. The High Priestess is here to say, trust your intuition. Okay, trust your, trust your intuition. Your intuition will guide you. Trust in your intuition and your discernment. We also have the Fool. So could be an opportunity to, you to embrace passions that perhaps you've even left behind, or you put behind on the back burner, because you're thinking, right, I've got to do this, I've got to strive and pursue my goals and ambitions, or things that you want to do maybe in work and career. But it's saying justice, there needs to be a balance. So perhaps it could be, as we're seeing that 10 of Wands, there could be a need for work balance at this time, a need for you to try and get all of your house in order. Okay, we are currently in that Taurus season, so I feel like the Taurus season is really asking all of us to find ways to be grounded. Okay, whether it's like placing your feet on some grass, on some ground, dancing, trying to get yourself, immerse yourself in grounding activities that can really help you to feel safe and secure and at peace. Because look at that, the Knight of Swords is saying, yes, you've got to do something. Perhaps your mind could be racing, and it's like, right, I've got to, just take that time to look after you. Again, we had the Star Angel card that came out earlier, okay, in key themes, like messages that wanted to come through, and it's definitely telling us there is an energy of the need for balance here, collective. And this could be in all areas of your life, whether it's your love life, whether it's your personal life. Really looking for balance. You see that scale, really looking for balance, because we can see that there's a lot of kind of I need to just take some time for myself, prioritizing me a lot more. So bear that in mind, Taurus. Okay, so let's have a look at a love message for Taurus. Good news coming your way, Taurus. Good news coming your way for Taurus. Good news coming your way for Taurus. Good news coming your way for Taurus. Look at this, Taurus. Woo-wee. Ooh la la. So Taurus, very soon, clearly decide what you want. Okay, and this is where this is going to come through, because then it's like justice, new doors opening. Okay, we have the Ace of Pentacles. It's saying something wants to come, but you just got to get clear. And it's like universe is waiting for you to get clear. So clearly decide what you want, so it comes to you, Taurus. So there could be a love offer just waiting around the corner, but you just got to be clear with what you want, and trust your intuition and use your discernment every time. So Taurus, let's have a look and see what angel message wants to come through for you. Let's have a look. We have 12, 12, 12. We have persistence. So shift, enthusiasm, gratitude, contentment, and new experiences, Taurus. So, oh, happy day, an ample opportunity related to your life's purpose. Your life's purpose is just around the corner. So take immediate action once it pops up. Of course, a lovely partnership. Look at this. Ooh la la. Or an epic romance is also in the cards. Yes, we can see that. Something is waiting. Okay, just round the corner very soon. It could also be what this, what the Ace of Pentacles is telling us. Perhaps it could be someone who definitely wants a serious, long-term committed relationship. Perhaps it could be a new opportunity that waits for you, that gives you a better work-life balance. Ooh la la, the choice is yours, but there's the energy of persistence here. Okay, so Taurus, check your sun, your moon, and your rising, but big up yourselves. All right, and take the messages, okay, that resonate, and leave the rest. All right, so we are moving on to Gemini now. Gemini, how are you doing, Gemini? Big up yourselves, Gemini. Gemini, where are the fellow Geminis at? Where are they? Big up, big up. All right, Gemini, let's see what messages want to come through for Gemini. Messages for Gemini, the good news coming out for Gemini. Good news coming for Gemini. Good, woo. Ay, 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 ay. So, Gemini, we have the Seven of Cups. So, Gemini, it feels like at this time there could be lots of options around, okay? And it feels like the message is saying that you ultimately know your path. You know your path, but there's going to be lots of things that's going to try and distract you. Perhaps it could be exes from the past. It could be, you know, it could be yes, it could be someone from the past. It could be a potential job offer that sounds great, but looks can be deceiving. And I feel like there's a message of saying, trust your intuition, trust your intuition and let your intuition guide you, as well as trusting your discernment, but also really asking yourself, what is it that you truly want and what is it you truly desire? And are all of these options that you see, are they going to lead you to that path? Okay? Or what you truly want, okay, is that going to lead you? So it feels like there's going to be lots of opportunities, okay, coming your way. Some are going to be good, Gemini, someone's going to be bad, but the message is saying you got to trust yourself and let that guide you. Let your intuition guide you, because there's going to be lots of where it could be a new lover, a new love offer, and a new lover. Perhaps that could be on the cards, but it feels like there could be lots of some smoke and mirrors, and it feels like you've got to let your intuition guide you on what is the right path for you, okay? Right, let's have a look and see what message. Yes, because we have the 10 of Wands here, collective. So it feels like the message coming through for Gemini is the message of saying you might have been working all this, like working so hard to get and build all of these wands, build all these little opportunities of growth for you. And it's kind of saying, you know, keep going, but be mindful that there might be things that try to come and distract you, okay? Perhaps it could also be the tendency of getting distracted, okay? And it feels like, yes, we've got to look at that. The star has come through for you, Gemini, but it's in the reverse position. So it's saying, you know, take that. It feels like you may have worked and overcome things, okay, Gemini. There might have been maybe some trials and tribulations that you've had to go through, or you may have experienced, and it feels like it's saying there's no reason to go back there. Okay, you've done that work. Now allow yourself to just continue working on your path, because it feels like with the Hermit being here, definitely a message of saying trust your intuition and let that guide you. Do you see that light? That light is shining. You see that wand is golden, and it's across the whole of the, like all of the chakras. It's saying, yes, go by how you feel. Go by how you feel and let that guide you. Let that be the way, saying, right, do I want this job offer? Do I want this opportunity? Okay. Do I want to get back with my ex? Is this going to serve me? Is this going to be in my alignment, okay, of what I truly want and desire? And let that be the message for you. Okay, we have behind here, look at this. The Two of Cups. So the message that's coming through, collective, is like the Two of Cups is really asking you, if you look carefully at this, the female figure here, it's like, look at her facial features. What is her facial features saying? It's like, do I really want to give my cup right now? Okay. Or do I really want to give my cup to this ex? We've been here before. Look at this. the Two of Swords is here, saying, yes, we've been here before. Do I really want to go back to this? Do I really want to get distracted? So it feels like, you know, there may be someone who may try to get back into your energy, or whether it's a new or a new or someone from the past. But it feels like the message is saying that keep focusing on you, because there are lots of bigger and better, as we like to say here, bigger and better, darling, bigger and better, darling, coming your way. And it might be, things might they might be seeing that you are moving forward or moving to a direction, and it feels like it's like a message from the devil saying, well, we're gonna try and see how far Gemini is really like devoted on staying on that path. So the message that's coming through, the good news, is keep on going, keep doing what you're doing, but be mindful that there's going to be some things that may try to distract you from your path. Let's have a look at a love message for you, Gemini. Let's see what's to come through for Gemini. Message for Gemini. The good news coming your way, Gemini. Message for Gemini. Good news coming your way. Good news coming your way for Gemini. Ay, 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 ay. Look at this, you see? Ay, ay, ay. Gemini, your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectations. So there is a message here that you just got to just keep an open mind, okay? And let your intuition guide you. This person could be completely different to your type. Perhaps you may not even have a particular type. Perhaps you may just like, you go by how you feel. You go by, does this person make you laugh? This person have maybe commonalities or things that you share. But the key message is saying, just keep an open mind. Keep an open mind, okay? All right, let's see an angel number for the collective. So for the Geminis, sun, moon, and rising. Good news coming your way. Good news coming your way. All right, good news coming your way for Gemini. Good news. Good news. The good news. We have the 444. So Gemini, the 4 is representing stability and security. So again, getting yourself grounded, getting yourself like just feeling, really just trusting yourself, okay? So we have this energy of protection, change, rebellion, guidance, justice, truth, character, and love. So get ready for the good things, the good things you've been hoping for. You were born for a higher calling, Gemini. So put your energy into going towards your ambitions. You hear that, Gemini? And the universe will align itself to provide you with the right people, circumstances, and resources to make things happen. And I feel like this is why it's saying to keep an open mind, okay? And to be mindful not to get distracted by all the shiny, all the glittery things that may come your way, okay? So big up to Geminis. We're moving on to Cancer now. All right, let's get on to Cancer. Cancer, how we doing? How we doing? I hope you're staying nice and hydrated. Nice and hydrated. Yes, darling. Yes, honey. We are still hydrated. All right. Just gonna quickly shuffle the deck. All right. Take a sip of water. Okay. So Cancer, we are moving on to Cancer now. Okay. Cancer, we are checking your sun, your moon, and your rising. Okay. All right. So big up to Cancer. Big up to Cancer. All right, Cancer. The good news coming to Cancer. The good news coming to Cancer. The good news coming to Cancer. Ay, 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 ay. So Cancer, we have the Nine of Cups. So Cancer, we have the Nine of Cups. Let's put that down. We have the Nine of Cups, the Two of Wands, and the Queen of Wands. So Cancer, it feels like the message here is this is a good time to just work on yourself. Be proud of your achievements, okay? Be proud of where you have come so far and continue to strive. Continue, because it's going to open many doors. And the more you work on your own wholesomeness, perhaps you've been going through a period of working on oneself, loving on yourself, okay? Focusing on your self-esteem and your confidence. It's only going to make bigger opportunities for yourself, and it's also going to lead you to realizing that perhaps the world that you've created for yourself is quite small and you want to embrace the bigger world that's out there. It could also be that there's a love interest that may want to come your way, but I feel like Cancer, there's also a message of saying, by you being fearless, by you know, taking that energy, it might for some of you, people might take how you are as being very, let's say, not so nice, okay? Maybe in your tone and maybe your attitude and things. But I feel like the message is saying, keep going, keep striving, and not to be caring about what other people think, because that is ultimately what is going to create that wholesome message here. But also, okay, we are looking at the good news. There could also be this message of saying, with the Queen of Wands in reverse, just be mindful if there is anybody that may try to bring you in any third party or in any kind of situationship, okay? So just be mindful of that. Okay. Oy, 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 oy. So let's have a look now. Yes, we have the Three of Wands. We have the Five of Swords. So there's definitely something, you know, just to be mindful of. Maybe things that you just need to let go. Perhaps there's been maybe some people or things around you that you're just thinking, you know what, I'm just going to focus on me and I'm just going to work on me. Perhaps you may have felt like you were backstabbed in the past, and it's like saying, yeah, take that time to just stand strong and believe in yourself, okay? So it is definitely like a message of you being triumphant in your self-confidence and your self-esteem once you just realize the amount of power that you have, okay, and trusting in yourself, that it's going to open many doors for you to explore, perhaps even go on a holiday, travel the world, do something new, different, okay? Perhaps you might be seen as the Queen of Wands, someone who's like goes out there and is very much a creator, like doesn't care much what people think, okay? But it feels like also Queen of Wands, okay, with the Queen of Wands in reverse, Cancer, not to let, let's say, if you've been mistreated in the past, not to then repeat those same behaviors to others, okay? All right. All right. So we have here, let's just have a look quickly and see what's this one. Look at that, we have the King of Cups. So yes, collective, there could be somebody who has an interest in you, okay? Ooh la la. Because we have the Four of Cups here. So essentially the Four of Cups is the message as, don't be this guy. Don't be this guy. You don't want to be this guy. You don't want to be this guy that blocks their blessings, okay? That ignores blessings. So there's going to be lots of opportunities coming your way. We can see that with the Four of Cups. Don't block your blessings, okay? We have the Seven of Swords. So just be mindful. I feel like it could be, if there are some things coming your way and you don't want to share it, you know what, that's fine. You know, keep your things to yourself. If you're still working on your some projects or working on things that you just want to, yeah, that's fine. But just be mindful Okay, of if there's any been, again, if there's been any shady energies in the past. Okay, and perhaps because it does feel like with the Queen of Wands here, there might have been some feelings of maybe being mistreated, and it feels like don't be this person where you're repeating them same patterns. And we did have that message of the Empress, okay, as the key themes that could come through. The key, so the Empress and the Star. So making sure you're working on oneself, healing oneself, because we have that Knight of Cups. Look at this in the reverse position. So it can perhaps, you know, maybe mistreated in the past. It can maybe create some blockages if new love wants to come through. And the message is saying just to be mindful of that, okay? Because we have the Three of Wands. Someone perhaps wants to come to travel towards you, or perhaps this could be a good time for you to explore, try something new, travel, okay? Perhaps you may get an offer where it allows you to travel. So let's have a look at a love message for Cancer. Love message for Cancer. So, good news coming to Cancer. The good news coming to Cancer. The good news coming to Cancer. The good news coming to Cancer. Cancer. Good news coming to Cancer. The good news coming to Cancer. The good news coming to Cancer. Cancer, we have give your relationship a chance. Work on your partnership. So there could be someone who wants to repair this. Now trust your intuition. If perhaps, you know, it could be someone new as well that wants to. So, you know, perhaps this could be why you're seeing this is like, don't be that person. Okay, that could be something good that wants to come through and you're not allowing it to flourish. You're not allowing it to let those seeds, okay, give that chance, give that person a chance. You know, even if it's getting to know you, being intentional, and also taking time to know what that person's intention, because then that's going to help you to know, well, is this what I really want? And trusting how you feel, trust your intuitions, okay, and use your discernment every time. So let's have a look at an angel number for you. Cancer, message for Cancer, good news. Good news. Ooh, why, Cancer, your one has flown away. So we're just going to get it one moment. Cancer, we've got your card that has a lot of energy here that is flown away from the death. It's 10-10. The message here is it's up to you. So 10s represent that energy of completion, you know, something coming to an end or something coming to a new beginning, okay, or marking a new beginning. Moderation, patience, flow, clarity, joy, movement, self-realization, taking action, and unconditional love are keywords for you as part of this good coming your way, the good news coming your way. So it's time to put those long cherished ideas into action. You will soon come into contact with the appropriate individuals, circumstances and resources. So eventually you will experience joy as well as brand new opportunities. So trust in the process, and you don't want to be this guy. So trust in the process. So big up yourselves, Cancer. And we are moving on to Leo now. Okay, so big up to Cancer. Alright, just going to do a quick little shuffle and let us know what you are sipping on, okay, or where you're watching from around the world. Love to engage with you all, so big up yourselves. Big up to the Tea Sipper Collective, the Tea Sipper Generals. Alright, so Leo, big up Leo. Leo in the building. Leo, let's find out what good news is coming to you. Let's find out what good news is coming to you. What good news is coming to Leo. Good news is coming to Leo. Oi, 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 oi. Leo, we have the energy of temperance. So this is a good sign, Leo, that things will come in order for you. Perhaps you may have been in a period of turmoil, or things just maybe not seeming like it's maybe working in your favor, but the temperance is saying, things are going to work out in your favor. Things are going to start moving more smoothly. Perhaps it might be you notice these things coming to fruition or coming into order by maybe hearing some good news, hearing some news of some change or some shift, that things are working in your favor. It's the temperance is also asking you to take this time to just focus on yourself and to be at peace with yourself, seeking that groundness. The message is listen to some meditations or some relaxing music to really kind of get you in that mood of like clarity, helping you to just kind of feeling clear. And the more clear you feel with yourself, like having that sense of clarity, the more it's going to awaken you to new opportunities. Now, if you see with the temperance, it also represents the energy of an angel. So we saw that that angel energy, okay, at the beginning of the read, okay, as part of the key themes that can come through in today's read, the good news. And the message was from Mihail, guardian angel Mihail, stars. So this is a good time of healing for you. So take any opportunity where there can be healing. Take that opportunity to grow and transform. Okay. Well, with the Two of Cups being here, and you can see the Sun here, there could also be some opportunities for you to kind of recollect or reconnect with your inner child, okay, and to really address any issues that need to be let go of, okay, as well as seeking that balance with the divine masculine and the divine feminine. So the two sides of your spiritual being collective, really connecting with both, okay, as well as potential that there could be a potential new love energy here, if that is something that you are looking for. That could be aligned with you. Let's have a look and see what else is visible. Or look at this. We have the Empress card, collective. The Empress card is here. So there's a message here. Perhaps for some of you, this could be a good time for things to blossom and bloom and grow, collective. There's definitely this energy of saying, that this could be a great time for you to flourish. Again, we have the Empress here. So Leo, we're going to keep it clean and classy, but be mindful of, perhaps this could be, maybe pregnancy. So, just be aware, trust your intuition and all, and you just trust your discernment, okay? But, the Empress is showing that there could be lots of things growing here, okay? Ooh la la, we have the Wheel of Fortune. So yes, if you've been feeling like this is your sign, this is your reminder that things are going to be working in your favor, that opportunities are going to come around, that's going to work for you. So whether it's in your love, career, okay, new growth opportunities where you can just maybe try something new, or maybe explore something that maybe it could be something that you always wanted to do when you was a child, and now your inner child is calling you to go and try those things, just give it a try, okay, as long as it's good for you, it's healthy for you, why not? Ooh la la. And we have here, let's have a look and see what's here. Collective, we have the King of Pentacles. So Leo, perhaps there could be an opportunity for money to grow, for you to become more comfortable and more stable in your finances, or building different opportunities where you can generate income, okay? with the King of Pentacles. Perhaps there could be someone who has that King of Pentacles energy that wants to come towards you. We also have the World showing, so this could open new doors and opportunities for you, okay? And we have the Queen of Cups. So Leo, it feels like this is an opportunity, okay, especially we had that inner child reference, to come and connect with that inner child, to also to connect with your feminine as well as your softer side, okay? Really connecting with what the things that you love, because especially with the Temperance being here, that has come through as the main center card, it's definitely giving that energy of really connecting with things that align with you, things that that makes you feel peace, that makes you feel that tranquil energy, okay? That tranquil energy. This is what at this time is needed, and it will bring many doors of opportunities for you. Ooh la la. So let's see what messages are there for you when it comes to love, collective. Now, I did see release the X when I shuffled, and that could be something, Leo, for you to release any X that's not serving you, that's not aligned with where you want to go in life. Ay, 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 ay. Good news. Look at this. Ay, 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 ay. Leo, wedding could be on the cards for you. So a potential future spouse, perhaps this is the King of Pentacles. You know, it's making me want to stutter. This situation involves marriage. So there could be someone who feels for you. Ooh la la, someone's feeling for you and seeing you as their future spouse. We can see a lot of nurturing energy, so connecting with both will really open the gates to the wheel of fortune, things spinning around to be in your favor. Ooh la la. Ay, 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 ay. Let's have a look at an angel number for the good news coming your way, Leo. Good news coming your way. So the good news coming your way, Leo. Good news coming your way, Leo. Good news. Ay, 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 ay. Leo, we have, look at this energy. Do you see that 2002? Look what we have, Leo, with the wedding, the potential, this future spouse. There's an alignment, the 2 of Cups, okay? Look at that going on here, Leo. The 2 of Cups, and it's come back again in this energy of the 2002, this mirroring number, looking, okay? So, longing, technology, ambition, genius, forward thinking, stress and depression. You have more control over your life than you realize, Leo. So learn and execute what interests you. That's right, what interests you, Leo. Turn things around, okay? Turn things around with the Wheel of Fortune being here. It gets better with time. There are plenty of friends to make. So just chill out, and we can see that Temperance really connecting with you, okay? Have fun and open up. Go outside, okay? Leo, you're going to be outside. You're going to be outside, baby. And you're going to embrace some new opportunities that just flow in tranquility. Ooh la la. Juicy, intuitive gems. So big up to Leo. We are moving on to Virgo. Okay, so big up to Leo. Let's move on to Virgo now. Okay, so big up to Virgo. Please check all of your sun, your moon, and your rising signs. If you know your Venus, okay, and you know your Jupiter, okay, even better. Okay, your Jupiter is the planet that rules money and finances, okay? So we are exploring those finances gems as well, okay? And love gems. okay? As well as you prioritizing your spiritual self and your well-being. So if you are new here, big up to yourselves and welcome. And to the subscribers, we want to just thank you and big up to you all. And please like, share and subscribe. All right, Virgo in the building. Right, Virgo, we're going to explore the good news that you need to hear right now. The good news coming to you, Virgo. The good news coming to you, Virgo. The good news. Oi, 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 oi. Virgo, we got some good thing going. A real good thing going, yeah. That girl and me. Ooh. Ooh, Virgo, there's something good, there's something fast, something wants to come. But there's a message of like the Six of Swords. So there's like some kind of, what's going on here? It feels like there could be like trying to run from something, or there could be some apprehension, there could be some fear around it. Okay, it feels like there's some new opportunities that wants to come your way, and perhaps there could be maybe some inkling or feeling like I don't know, I'm not sure, and it feels like it's saying to trust yourself and just work on your confidence and your self-esteem and believe that you are good enough, you are great, you are amazing, you got this. Okay, perhaps with the Six of Swords, you are like looking towards seeking more, something that is in harmony with you, but the opportunities are coming. There are opportunities that want to come, but there's a message of saying to just be in harmony with how you're thinking, because our thoughts can be the best and they can be the worst of us. Okay, so what we think, okay, if it's something good, it can open doors for us. If we think in a negative light, it can close those doors. So there's a key message here that things are wanting to come your way, Virgo, whether it could be some love energy, whether it can be some opportunities in for your career, work or growth. Okay, you've got to be open to them and embrace them. Okay, now the message is coming through is like that hermit mode, okay, which is very much that Virgo, representing that Virgo energy, okay, in the tarot. So the message is saying to not, the words of Bob Marley is coming through. You got to lively up yourself and don't be no dread. Okay, and that simply means you just gotta, just be yourself, be your authentic self, have some fun. And this is not the time to be boring. Okay, this is not the time to just stay, on the sofa, on your chair, okay, and just be like, I'm not going to do anything today. You got to take those actions. You got to take those opportunities when they come. All right. Oi, 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 oi. Let's see what we have here. Yes, we have the Queen of Swords. So perhaps there could have been some energy before, of maybe feeling like you're going to be judged with the Queen of Swords here. Perhaps it may have been maybe a figure or somebody that may have made you feel like this, but the message is saying to not let that steer you. Okay, don't let that get in your way of new opportunities, or you thinking I'm going to just like take the, I'm just gonna, catch a flight and, I'm gonna dip, I'm gonna leap deuces. It's like, no, not this time. Because because look at this, we have the Four of Wands and we have the Queen of Pentacles. So there is new opportunities coming your way that's going to be more stable, more secure. Virgo, the message is saying, you know what, stay humble, keep doing you, keep focusing on you, keep working on you, and keep embracing these opportunities. Don't get caught up in this energy of thinking, oh, what is this person's going to think of me? What are they going to think? Or, oh, I'm not too sure how to do this, so I'll stay in my lane because, I don't know how to do, maybe I'm not resourced in that area. Not this time, Virgo. There's new opportunities coming your way, so embrace them. what we have here, yes, you see we have the King of Swords. So the King of Swords, and we're seeing the Queen of Swords. This is kind of telling us that your spiritually, your divine masculine and your divine feminine can be not in alignment at this time, because the divine masculine represents your energy to go and take action, to go and do something. So it feels like if you don't have the clarity, Virgo, that may have held you back from going to do something, to take action. Okay, but then your divine feminine could be like, no, you go and do this. Come on, man. You gotta believe in yourself. And that energy saying, yes, you got to, because look what's behind here is the Five of Pentacles. The Five of Pentacles behind the King of Swords in reverse is telling us that there's something you're lacking, and it could be that confidence, that belief in yourself that you can do this. And this is a reminder, if you're seeing this now, is this reminder to say, girl, you've got this, okay? Or if you're watching this, girl or boy, you got this. John, Jane, you got this. You got this. Tea sippers, you've got this, okay? Because look, you got this. Yes, it might be something different, something new, but you can work. Maybe you can even find people that can support you and you can work together, okay? And build, okay? There's definitely a message about building and trying something new. Don't be afraid. Okay, maybe, you know, when you see the wands, because the Eight of Wands is all about action, things are coming fast, things are smoothing, moving fast, okay? It might be like, whoa, I need to take some time, I need to do some due diligence to kind of figure out if this is what I really want to do. But what it's really asking you to do is not get too caught up in the thinking, because then it can lead to procrastination, and then that procrastination can lead to not doing anything. And look what awaits you. The Four of Wands, and opportunities for you to just be sitting comfortably in your chair and looking at all of your achievements, and, you know, being humble in that energy with the Queen of Pentacles. Ooh la la. So let's see what love messages are in store for Virgo. Good news for Virgo. So good news for Virgo. Good news for Virgo. Good news, Virgo. We have a message here. We have, yes, love yourself, Virgo. Your self-respect makes you more romantically attractive. So you valuing yourself, loving yourself makes you more attractive. And the message that's coming through is that the more you feel confident in yourself, the more it's going to draw this energy of the Eight of Wands to you. Collective tea sippers, it's going to bring this energy, okay? And you're going to be like, ma. You're going to be, oh my, okay? The song Johnny Gill, from Johnny Gill, my, is coming through, okay? The more you love yourself, and from head to toe when you're looking after yourself, it's definitely going to be, you're going to be turning heads, Virgo. It's definitely going to be people, you know, just looking, going, oh my gosh, did you see Virgo right there? Oh, wait, okay? Ma, you sure look good tonight. Woo-wee. Yes, Virgo. So, let's have a look for Virgo. Angel number for Virgo now. Okay, angel number for Virgo. Good news coming your way for Virgo. Good news coming your way. Good news coming your way for Virgo. Virgo. Good news. Good. Woo! Virgo! We got some energy. Virgo, we have 5. That's telling us, energy of 5 is telling us transformation, change is coming. And we also have 2002. Now, I believe this came through for Leo. Ooh, either Leo or Cancer. Okay. So let's start with the 0505. So unexpected shift. unexpected shift, divine intervention, sudden challenges, love, pleasant surprises, gut feeling. Hey, this number serves as a gentle nudge to pursue whatever interests you most. Virgo, it's possible that something could rock your boat. Something could rock. And I like to know where you got the motion. Something could rock your boat. Do you know that song? If you do, put it in the comments down below. Okay? So, but you will end up exactly where you belong, which could be, okay, in somebody's arms, your dream job, or abroad, etc., etc. Ooh, juicy. And we have 2002, the void. So longing, technology, ambition, genius, forward thinking, stress, and depression. So you have more control over your life than you realize. So just learn, Virgo, and learn and execute what interests you. Turn things around. It gets better with time. There are plenty of friends to make. So just chill out, have fun, and open up and go outside, baby. So big up to yourselves, Virgo. Check your sun, your moon, and your rising. All right. So big up to Virgo. All right, we are moving on to Libra now. So, big up to Libra in the building. Right, make sure you are staying hydrated. Okay, I'm going to take a sip of water. Let's take a collective sip. Tea sippers, you ready? Okay, let's take a sip. Taking a sip of water. All right. Take a little shuffle. All right. So Libra, let's have a look at the good news coming your way. So Libra, the good news coming your way. Messages for Libra. Libra, good news coming your way. Yes, Libra. Yes, Libra. Libra, it feels like something wants to come out for you right now. So Libra, messages for Libra. Good news coming for Libra. Good news coming for Libra. Good news. Good news coming for Libra. The money. Libra, there's money coming for you. Yeah. Libra, there's money coming for you. You're going to be Big Daddy, Big Papa, hey, big boss in the building, hey, big money, Big Papa, big boss in the building, sitting on the sofa, sitting on your throne, sitting on your chair. Hey, Big Papa, big boss in the building. Hey. Libra, you are the King of Pentacles. This is telling us if you've been having some money worries, or you're just thinking, perhaps you've been going through some trial and tribulations, and you're just thinking, one after another. This is like your message to say, don't worry. Okay, the song coming through is Bobby McFerrin. Don't worry. Be happy. You got to be happy here. This is a reminder to say, yeah, keep working on yourself, keep doing, because things are opening up. Things are going to be working out for you. You're going to be seeing those investments, those seeds that you've put in place start to flourish. Those seeds are going to open many opportunities, many doors for you, different incomes, okay, where you can just sit back and relax and just be like, finally. So, Libra, put it in the comments. Let us know what's going on. Okay, let's have a look and see what we have here. Yes, look at this. 2 of Wands. So, You know, this is perhaps an opportunity for you to go and learn, try something new. Okay, perhaps it might be messages of travel, or you've been thinking of that you wanting to travel, you wanting to go and explore. It could be someone wants to come towards you. Okay, a love connection here. Ooh la la. It could be that you've been recognizing, you know what, this is what I've achieved so far in life, and I want to do more. I want to achieve more. If you look at that too, okay, it's really giving that energy of balance as well. That's very much the Libra energy. Libra is really asking you at this time to connect with your passions, connect with what drives you. Sometimes in life, we can get swayed in the motions of just doing what we feel needs to be done just to get by. But does that give us happiness? And the message here for you, Libra, is to really tap into what makes you happy. So if you're recognizing that your world is feeling like it's very narrow, and you're looking and you're thinking, but there's bigger out there, I know it is, claim it. Claim it. Take that passion and run with it. Okay? As Auntie Self Love says so. Take that passion and run with it. Let's have a look and see what's in the middle. Look at this. We have the world. So the world is saying, baby, there's bigger opportunities out there. If you want it, you just have to claim it for yourself, darling. You have to claim it for yourself, darling. Honey, listen, you have to claim it. You have to claim it. You have to grasp it. You know, sometimes things, you know, great things that you want, you know, that sometimes there's challenge and there's trials and tribulations. Sometimes it could be messages, it could be lessons that we need to learn to help us to see how much we want something and how much we're willing to put that time and effort. But don't let that stun you. Don't let that make you stay away from your passions or your dreams. Keep on going. This is your reminder. Find your calling. Your calling awaits you, Libra. Look at this. Libra, the Three of Wands is here. If this don't tell you, you need to go on your journey and claim it, then I don't know what is. Libra, this is your message. This is your sign to take that action. Okay? Good things awaits you. It's just waiting for you to just claim it with open hands. Look at the end. Look at the energy that it will bring. You know. Ooh wee. So let's have a look at the love messages. Ooh, Libra. Love messages for Libra. The good news coming your way, Libra. The good news coming your way for Libra. The good news coming your way for Libra. Oh, Libra. The good news coming for Libra. Ooh. Libra. Ooh, we got wedding. This situation involves marriage. Libra, somebody wants to marry you. Ooh, someone wants to marry you. Ooh, someone wants to marry you. This could be, you know, you coming into alignment with something. Okay, in love, things that you're passionate about, but it's going to bring a matrimony of love. Ooh wee. So let's have a look at an angel number for you. Okay, angel number for Libra. Angel number for Libra. Good news coming your way. Good news coming your way. Libra, I'm enjoying your read. I've been enjoying all the reads, but you got a good read going on, Libra. So, good news coming your way for Libra. Message for Libra, please. Message Libra. The 444. The 444. Libra. Stability awaits you. Okay. Fours represents that stability and security, and you got it coming in quadruples. Okay. It's awaiting you. Blessing in disguise. Obstacles, hardships, strength, building character, experience. There might be some difficulties ahead, Libra, and you may have experienced them already, okay? But you will push through. You've got this. If you have been struggling or feeling lost, Libra, the winds of change will blow in your favor. If you've been suffering or feeling lost, some things may fall apart, but you are building the framework for something much better. Okay, hope you can see that. You are building the framework for something much better. So hang in there, Libra. Hang in there, Libra. So big up to yourselves, Libra. Big up to yourselves. So, we take the messages that resonate and leave the rest. So we are moving on to Scorpio now. All right, I'm going to move on to Scorpio now. Just going to quick check the camera. Yep. All right, moving on to Scorpio now. Ooh, these juicy messages. All right, Scorpio, we are checking your sun, your moon, your rising. Good news coming your way. All right, so let's have a look for Scorpio. Scorpio, I just saw the 8 of Swords and now the Strength card. Okay, so it could be there's been some things going you've been experiencing. Okay, and it's saying, you know what, you're going to pull through it and you're going to get stronger because of it. Okay, all right, let's have a look. Good news coming for Scorpio. 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 Scorpio, we have this energy here. Okay, that, you know, perhaps you've been thinking like you've wanting a new challenge, you wanting to experience new things, and you have been looking at the people around you, the environments around you, the things around you, and you're feeling like, you know what, I want more, I deserve more. Not in any arrogant way, but just feeling like I want more than this, I want more than this. And the message is saying you can have more than this. You just have to put yourself out there and seek that balance. You've got this. Just believe in yourself and take that action. If you see all that sacral chakra energy, that is all that sexual reproductive energy, that's coming from a lot of energy of creativity and passion, letting that drive move you to try and do different things. Okay, if it's in regards to love, it could be the message that you're realizing, you know what, I've acquired all this, but yet look at this one, it's vacant. You know, I need somebody by my side. I want somebody by my side. I desire to have somebody by my side. And okay, and it can open new doors. Ooh la la. Let's have a look and see what's here. Scorpio, we have the Fool. So this could result to you taking a new journey, you taking a leap of faith, recognizing, you know, feeling like maybe, literally, you might be feeling like, oh, you know, people might think that I'm a fool to just drop everything, okay, and maybe I'm starting over, but I'm not going to let that stop me. I'm going to try and I'm going to put all of my 100%. I'm going to explore this because I believe in myself, but even just that courage of believing in yourself is going to help you in so many ways, and you're going to be able to see the advancements of you, even just taking that attempt to try and do something new. Ooh la la. Let's have a look and see what's here. Yes, we have the Six of Cups. The Six of Cups coming through. So this could be you wanting to reconnect with past loves. Let's say it could be just things that you enjoy and you want to reconnect and build a relationship. Okay. Perhaps it could be a lover. Okay. A love interest that wants to rekindle things. Always trust your intuition and your discernment on things like that. Okay, always. We have behind here death, so definitely in this energy of transformation, something new wants to unfold here, and it feels like there's a lot of energy for something to start, something to develop and flourish if you want it. We do have the Six of Wands here. So I feel like the Six of Wands in the reverse position could be also saying that, you know what, don't stay in fear of, well, what if I'm not going to be successful in this? What if I'm not? Because the message is saying, what are you passionate about? Let that be your drive. Okay, let's have a look here. Because we have the Ace of Wands and we have the Ten of Wands. So there's definitely like a message of saying things will move forward. You just have to believe in yourself and let those worries, give those worries to the ancestors, the spirit guides, the guardian angels, the universe, to God Almighty. Give those worries away. Let them handle that. You just focus on you taking this leap of faith and, not putting all your eggs in one basket. But if there's something that you've really been like, right, I want to try this, I want to explore this, I want to give it a try. Just do your due diligence and, give it a try. At the end of the day, this is a message for us all, because we never, in order to, maybe you could be exploring something new, we never know until we try. And this is the key message here, okay? And with the Ace of Wands here, it's saying, yes, you go and give that try. You go and give it a try. Ay, 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 ay. Ooh la la. So let's have a look at a love message for Scorpio. Love message for Scorpio. The good news coming your way. The good news coming your way for Scorpio. Okay. The good news coming your way for Scorpio. The good news, Scorpio. We have, look at this, release your ex. So there's definitely a message about releasing things that are not serving you, because the more you release the things that are not serving you, that are not in line with you, it's going to clear your energy. The time has come to clear your energy. Okay. Now I feel drawn to pull another for, woo-wee, pull for you. But it was like, that card at the front was like, it was doing a little bit too much. And I thought, okay, it's giving us the message to have a look. Look at this. Scorpio, when you release, look at this. When you release, it opens the doors to new love. Release, new love enters. If you don't release, you're blocking yourself from this new energy coming your way. So a new person has steered your romantic feelings, and this is the message here, that death here as well. This can open new doors to transformation. So it's the message is here to say you've got to embrace that. Embrace these new feelings. Oy, 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 oy. So let's have a look at a guardian angel number. Okay, let's have a look and see what message they have in store for you. Okay, so the good news coming your way. The good news coming your way. The good news coming your way for Scorpio. The good news coming your way. Woo, Scorpio, we have 3 for you. Scorpio, we have 10 10 10. So this is definitely something about letting go of something. 10 representing the like an ending and marking a new beginning. So it's up to you. Moderation, patience, flow, clarity, joy, movement, self-realization, taking action, unconditional love. It's time to put those long cherished ideas into action. You will soon come into contact with the appropriate individuals, circumstances, and resources. Eventually, you will experience joy as well as brand new opportunities. So trust in the process. Trust in the process. And we have 7 7. Good luck, Scorpio. Contentment, prosperity, abundance, spiritual awakening, divine intervention. So this message is more likely to reach you during intense uncertainty. You will come out winning from everything that may come your way. It's also a sign that you have much life experience and wisdom to share, yet you'll need enthusiasm and effort to get this message to others. And we have 999, lessons learned, culmination, results, benefits, reflection, completion. So Scorpio, take stock of your accomplishments and how you arrived at them. This is a reminder to maintain optimism and drive towards your goals. Maintain your momentum and know that the powers of heaven have your back. You made it, and the reward goes to you. So big up yourself, Scorpio. Take the messages that resonate and leave the rest. All right. Okay. So we are going to move to Sagittarius. But I'm going to take a quick break. Okay. Quick break. Little tea break. Refill break. And we'll see you in a bit for Sagittarius. So, okay, see you in a bit for Sagittarius and gwan. Right, Sagittarius. We are exploring the good news coming your way. Just had a little short tea refill break. Okay, so we're checking your sun, your moon, and your rising. Good news coming your way. We see the world here and the emperor. Ooh, witcher. There could be something coming your way with the fool. A new journey awaits you. Okay, let's have a look and see what that new journey could be. Perhaps there could be, Sagittarius, something you've been thinking about for a long while, wanting to do something new, maybe to travel, explore. And the message is saying, you know, opportunities await. Why not? Look what we have. We have the Magician. So it feels like with the Magician in the reverse position, is to just tap into your energy, to just believe, you know, believe that the unexpected can happen. Okay, and also that there could be opportunities. It could even be perhaps the thing that you've been focusing on is not exactly what the universe wants for you. There could be something bigger and better, as we like to say, bigger and better, okay, for you, Sagittarius. Let's see, have a look and see. Yes, it's definitely about something about letting that burden go, because it could be something that you want to do, because we did see the Emperor, and I believe it was the World, that there's something wants to come your way, but you've got to let something go. Okay, let's have a look and see what's here. Look at this. Yes. So something awaits you. There was a similar read. For Sagittarius, I can't remember which sign it was, but there was a similar read. Okay, if it was either Taurus or Aries. Okay, that there is a message here that something bigger and better awaits you, okay? And this could involve traveling, this could involve new doors and opportunities. And it's asking you to tap into that full energy. The full energy is starting a new beginning, maybe having a new outlook, a new attitude to something, or something coming into your life, okay? Because it feels like maybe how you see or view success may just need some tweaking, okay? Excuse me. But it feels like there's something that really wants to come your way, and it's really asking for you to just stay strong, stay firm, you know, in what you want, in what you desire. Even if the message, it feels like it's saying, even if it's something like maybe what you've hoped it might be, and it might not be that. Just focus on the feeling of what it will bring. So if you want success, what does success look like to you in your love life, in your work life, in your personal life, okay, in your financial life? It's like asking you the feelings, what would it bring? Would it evoke joy? Would it evoke happiness? Would it evoke laughter? Would it evoke celebration? It's asking you to focus on those feelings, because the more you focus on those feelings, the more it will help your intuitive and your magical ability to manifest. Okay, if you look at that infinity sign, okay, your thoughts and feelings are one. So be clear with your thoughts, okay, and letting go, releasing it, letting go of any control, okay? There's a lot of fire energy, as we can see, a lot of fire energy, fire signs in your reading, Sagittarius. So there's a lot of capitalize on your natural element, which is your fire sign, that passion. Let your passions run, but don't get too caught up in it has to be this way, it's got to be this way. Just focus on what it will evoke. Focus on those feelings, okay? Now the message here, we have the Three of Cups as well. Okay, if there has been some issues with like past relationships, some third party issues, cheating or any of those kind of issues, the message that's coming through is to say, don't worry, put that to the past, let go of it. You know, you've with the Strength card being here, there's a Leo energy. Perhaps you might have Leo in your chart. You've been dealing with a Leo. There's a message saying here that you've faced, you know, you've gone through some things, faced some adversities, trials and tribulations, but new awaits you. You've just got to believe. You've just got to allow it to unfold, and don't get too caught up on it has to be this, it's got to be that, okay? Just focus on those feelings. Focus on that visualizing what success looks like to you. How does it look? How does it feel? Because the more you capitalize on that, the more it will bring. The Four of Cups, the Four of Wands, okay? Perhaps you could be in that four of Cups energy, okay? Don't be this guy, as what we like to call the Four of Cups, okay? That sees the blessings, but then talks himself out of it or ignores it. Four of Wands, there's a lot of passionate energy, a lot of fire energy coming through. Embrace this. Ooh la la. So, Sagittarius, we're going to have a look at a love message. Let's see what a unique love message, what unique love message is in store for you, Sagittarius. So the good news coming to you. Good news coming to you. Good news coming to you. Good news coming to you, Sagittarius. Sagittarius. Sagittarius, this could be the one. There's a message here that someone could be, in your vicinity, in your energy that wants to come towards you, okay? And perhaps this could be why it's like, you know, the Fool is here. It's a new awaits you. It might be a bit unnerving, but focus, Sagittarius, okay, on the energy of what that feels like, rather than it has to be a very fixed view. Release that, and that can also affect the manifesting energy. Just focus on what? Healthy love, healthy friendships, healthy relationships, healthy work environment, health. Focus on that and just sit with it and just give it to the universe and just say, I release it to the universe, and I trust in the universe to bring good that works in my favor, the good that works in my favor. So you've already met the romantic partner you seek. I'm going to take a quick sip. Ooh wee. I could feel that hydration calling. So you've already met the romantic partner that you seek. Ooh la la. So, Sagittarius, going to have a look at an angel number. Let's have a look at an angel number. Make another quick sip. Woo! Ooh, I could feel a cough coming on. And I feel that that's releasing all of that. All of the stuff that's not serving you. Okay? So, angel number for Sagittarius, the good. We like to call it the good, baby. The good news coming to you. So let's have a look at a message. Angel number. Look at that. We have the 8 energy here, the infinity sign. We've seen the infinity sign twice with the strength card and with the magician card. Is it here? With the magician card, can you see that infinity sign right there for Sagittarius? The Sagittarius, the energy is present. Karma, 888, balance, finances, success, wealth, cycles. What goes around comes around. We see that with the world's energy here as well. Here we go. We got the world here. We can see that. Okay, so a lot of money is coming your way. Fortune refers to more than just monetary and material success. So, Sagittarius, take the messages. Are you where it's resonating? I hope it's resonating with you. Fortune refers to more than just monetary, and this is why you've not got to don't focus on fixed, but focus on what it looks like, the abundance of it. Okay, if you think on something that's fixed, then you are stopping your manifesting to manifest more abundance. Okay, so fortune refers to more than just monetary and material success. If you don't appreciate the people in your life now, you won't have them tomorrow. So this message encourages you to recognize or to take personal responsibility and to use it to realize your greatest potential. So capitalize on your greatest potential, Sagittarius. Part of the good news coming your way. So big up to Sagittarius. Check your sun, moon and rising. All right, big up. We're now moving on to Capricorn. Big up to Capricorn. All right, Capricorn, we're checking your sun, your moon and your rising. Okay, as part of the good news coming your way. Oh, I just saw the Wheel of Fortune for Capricorn. All right. So let's have a look For Capricorn, the good news coming your way. The good news coming your way. The good news coming your way for Capricorn. All right. Good news coming for Capricorn. Capricorn, we have the Four of Pentacles in reverse. So this is telling us, Capricorn, then perhaps you might have been in this period of knowing that you need to let go, and maybe you're in that period right now, you're in that current energy of recognizing that perhaps knowledge or experience has got you so far, but now is the time to let go of any kind of fixed attitudes or fixed mindsets in life, and to recognize that there is, there's so much to learn. In this world that we live in, there are so many ethnicities, cultures, different food cuisines, different languages, different accents, just so many different things, okay? So much diversity. And the message here that's coming through with this Four of Pentacles is that you've got to be open. Just be open. Keep an open mind, okay? So let's have a look and see what's here. Yes, we have the Wheel of Fortune. So the Wheel of Fortune is telling us that there is a lot that wants to come your way, but the message is saying you just gotta come out of your way, because look what we have here. We do have the Capricorn energy with the Devil, but it feels like the message is saying don't sabotage and close yourself by ignoring things or not addressing things that needs to be addressed, okay? Because look what we have here that's trying to come through. We have the Knight of Cups in reverse. So perhaps there could be, perhaps for Capricorn, there may have been some issues around what's coming through is workaholic, focusing on prioritizing one thing, that it's kind of closed you up to other opportunities. If you look at this figure here, they're holding holding on tightly to their pentacles, the pentacles representing their material resources. They're holding on, and the message is saying, you know what, let's say, God forbid, if you're not feeling well, can those material resources keep you going? Can they keep you going? Okay, what else do you what else do you have to look forward to? And the message is saying that these material sources can come and go, okay? But what's important is connecting with the heart chakra. And look what we have here, because it's in the reverse position, the Knight of Cups. This might be telling us a little bit of an inkling, Capricorn, that perhaps it hasn't always been on something that's been prioritized or something that's been invested in. And the message that's saying you've got to let go of ignoring. It could also be saying, right, if you're not so confident, if you're not so secure in speaking to a particular love interest, take some time to learn. Take some time to learn some lessons, okay? And maybe seek some dating advice, dating tips, so you can get better at it, more comfortable at it, okay? Instead of walking away from opportunities when they come towards you with the Chariot here, okay? And we have, look at this, the Ace of Pentacles, because something really wants to come your way. This could be also opportunities that work out better for you in the long run, okay? So it feels like, Capricorn, that there's very much this message of saying what you may have today may not be necessarily mean that it's there for you tomorrow. So broaden your horizon, and it's gonna work out well for you, okay? So with the Ace of Pentacles and the Wheel of Fortune, it's telling us that there's lots of opportunities that can come your way in all areas of your life if you want it, okay? So grab it with both hands, okay? Ooh la la. Let's see what we have here. Yes, we have the King of Swords and we have the World. So it's definitely like, should I do this? Should I do that? You're trying to think of different, maybe looking at different things, but it's saying, again, keep that open mind because, you know, there is a diverse world out there. Perhaps you might be just used to eating meat and potatoes, and it's saying there is so much out there. There's rice, there's beans, there's chicken, there's mutton, you know, there's just different varieties. Okay, so explore. Nothing wrong with that, okay? As long as it's good, you're not hurting anybody, okay? And it's you're being intentional, you're being, you know, going with a good mind, okay? Explore and try, because perhaps as well, this love interest or new opportunities that may come to you may be very foreign to you, maybe very different to you. Perhaps they may be very different. Perhaps your love interest could be very opposite to you, and it's how you navigate those differences. Okay. Ooh la la. So let's have a look at a love message for Capricorn. Capricorn, the good news coming your way. The good news coming your way for Capricorn. The good news coming your way for Capricorn. The good news coming for Capricorn. Capricorn, you have free true love. This is the romance of a lifetime. So again, Capricorn, perhaps this person that has an interest or a love interest for you could be someone who's completely different to you. Stay optimistic about your love life. Oh, it's more than free. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. Let go of control issues, Capricorn. Allow the situation to unfold naturally. And we have Capricorn, give your relationship a chance. Work on your partnership. Ooh la la. So we're going to have a look now at some angel numbers for Capricorn, or angel number for Capricorn. Let's have a look and see. As part of the good news coming your way, let's see what wants to come through for Capricorn. So good news coming for Capricorn. Good news coming for Capricorn. Good news coming for Capricorn. Message for Capricorn. Capricorn, we have 2 messages. So 7-7, good luck, contentment, prosperity, abundance, spiritual awakening, divine intervention. So Capricorn, this message is most likely to reach you during intense uncertainty. You will come out winning from everything that may come your way. It's also a sign that you have much life experience and wisdom to share, yet you'll need enthusiasm and effort to get this message to others. Capricorn, we have 10-10-10, so it's up to you. Moderation, patience, flow, clarity, joy, movement, self-realization, taking action, unconditional love. It's time to put those long-cherished ideas into action. You will soon come into contact with the appropriate individuals, circumstances, and resources. Eventually, you will experience joy as well as brand new opportunities. So trust in the process, Capricorn. Trust in the process. So stay optimistic. So big up yourselves, Capricorn. Check your sun, your moon, and your rising. So big up yourselves. We are moving on to Aquarius now. Moving on to Aquarius now. Big up to Aquarius. Aquarius, we're checking your sun, your moon, and your rising. Okay, checking your sun, your moon, and your rising. So messages for Aquarius. Messages for Aquarius. And we're going to take a collective sip So I'm going to sip on some water. Oh, it's very hot. Collective. Right. Well, it's hot because it's some good news coming for you. Okay, messages for Aquarius. Good news coming for Aquarius. Good news. Good news coming for Aquarius. Good news coming for Aquarius. Good news coming for Aquarius. Good news. Aquarius. Aquarius. There could be someone that wants to come your way, that they could have possessed the energy of the Emperor. Okay, perhaps it could also be opportunities that will bring more security and stability for you. But the message is saying, don't get caught up in your way of overthinking or underestimating it. There's definitely this message of saying, with the Four of Cups, don't be this guy. Don't be this guy that ignores it. The message it's coming through, Aquarius, is you've got to stay firm with your thoughts and your feelings, because you may get distracted by the way you're thinking about something. It might make you underestimate something that is actually for your greater good. Okay? Let's have a look. Yes, you see, we have the Two of Pentacles and it's in the reverse position. So this is telling us that ultimately, Aquarius, you've got to get clear with your thoughts and your feeling and get more grounded. So doing a grounding activity or exercise like dancing or just sitting down and firmly just taking some deep breaths, or placing your feet on some grass, okay, will really help you to connect with the earth element and stay grounded and help you to get that clarity that you need, okay? Because there's definitely some decisions that you may need to make, and it's really asking you to get clear with your thought process and really get connected with how you think and feel. But first, get grounded, okay? But it's ultimately saying you've got to release. You've got to release something, because the more you release something that's not serving you, that's not in line with you, it's going to open doors for you. Let's have a look and see what's here. Yes. So the Four of Swords. We haven't seen the Four of Swords so far in this all signs reading, but it's telling us again that there's something to do with stability, security here. Okay, maybe taking some time to rest, some time to just look after your well-being. Okay, if you haven't been doing so, this is that time. This is your message to just take some time to look after your well-being and put yourself first. Perhaps you've been overworking yourself and it's showing up in how you're thinking and how you're feeling about things. Okay, and perhaps making not always the best decisions, okay, Aquarius, and it's really saying to connect with oneself, okay, seek that stability and that security. Perhaps it's also telling us, with the Emperor being here, representing that energy of the divine masculine, that you are overdoing things. You may be just on this button of just taking action, but not really taking that time to think, is this working out? Is this doing well? Is this serving me? Okay, and it's kind of almost asking you to just analyze a bit, just to evaluate, look at the pros and cons. Is it serving you? Is it aligned with you? Okay. All right, and we have here the Queen of Swords. Ooh, behind the Queen of Swords, I just had a little moment. We have the Ace of Pentacles. And what's here? We have the Knight of Cups. We have the Knight of Cups and the Six of Swords. So, and here we have the Queen of Wands. So, Aquarius, it feels like there's a lot going here. A lot. Perhaps you could have been juggling, because we did see the Two of Pentacles, okay? That you could be juggling a lot of situations, a lot of things at this moment of time, and the message is saying you've got to really get clear. You really got to get clear with what it is that you want. It's almost like you have to tap into that Queen of Wands energy, and it feels like the Queen of the Queen of Wands energy and the Queen of Swords energy, to kind of have that balance of being able to say, you know what, this is what I want. Why am I overthinking this? Why am I want this? Because it feels like the message that's coming through is prioritize the things that you want. Because the more you prioritize the things that you want and you desire, and as long as you're being intentional, you know, and you're being good-minded, there's good intention behind it, no intention to hurt nobody, okay? The more it's going to open doors for you. Look at this with the Ace of Pentacles. But the message is saying to get clear, because it's even impacting your heart chakra. Perhaps you have kind of moved away from love opportunities in the past, or things that you wanted or desired in the past. And it's really saying, get clear with what you want. Stay grounded, because it's going to open doors, many doors. Now I feel drawn to open. Look at this. Yes, we have the Temperance. So the message that's coming through with the Temperance is saying that, sometimes, in life we face challenges, we face trials, we face tribulations, but the message is saying, don't let it steer you away from your true desires, your path, your soul path, your divine path, what it is that spirit wants for you, that the universe wants for you, what you want for yourself. Okay, sometimes in life we can just get on with doing things, but then sometimes we get into this mode of thinking, why am I doing this? Is this leading to me to where I want to be? And the message is really saying to get clear with what it is, because there are many doors trying to open for you right now, and you just have to be clear. And the more clear you become, the more clarity you will receive. Ooh-wee! So that Temperance is here for a reason. We've seen that Two of Cups. Something wants to flow. Okay, no more juggling. Something just wants to be aligned. Will you allow it? Will you embrace this alignment that wants to come in? So let's have a look at a love message for you, collective, for Aquarius, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Message for Aquarius. The good news coming your way. The good news coming your way. The good news coming your way for Aquarius. Good news coming your way. Yes, we have pay attention to the red flags. The signs are cautioning you, Aquarius. And I feel like the Aquarius, this is the red flag. The red flag. Trust it. Get grounded. I'm going to look again for you. Good news for Aquarius. Oh, another one that came through is Aquarius. Recognize if there is some kind of detachment when it comes to your connecting to your heart chakra. Just noticing how you are feeling. Are you staying in line with how you feel and what you truly want? Okay. So, message again. Good news coming your way, Aquarius. Good news coming your way, Aquarius. Good news. Good news coming your way, Aquarius. Ooh. Aquarius, we have religious factors. Your love life is influenced by your religious upbringing and spiritual path. So it feels like there are some lessons, Aquarius, for you. And it feels like the more grounded, the more clarity you receive, it's going to open doors. Okay. But perhaps someone that you have a love interest, or someone that has a love interest for you, perhaps there could be that you and this person are at different wavelengths, or you're at different paths in your current lifespan. I hope that's making sense. Perhaps one is more awakened than the other, and the message is saying the more you keep working on yourself, the more you keep receiving, the more you keep taking those opportunities to learn and develop your spiritual consciousness, it's going to help you to see and feel more connected, more grounded. Feel drawn to pull one more for Aquarius. Yes. Ay, 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 ay. Aquarius. It's like those messages wanted to come through. But we have here, look at this, Aquarius. Wedding, healing family issues, and free yourself. So, free yourself, Aquarius. It's time to take back control of your life. Look at this horse trapped in the cage. It's saying free yourself from those feelings. Let go. Let go that's not of things that's not serving you, because it's creating a block, and it's creating a block that doesn't need to be there. Because look what is in your greater good. Long-term commitments, relationships, you know, it's there. Everyone has free will, but it's saying these things are there if you want it. This situation involves marriage. Ooh la la. But there is a message here about healing family issues. Perhaps there could be some deep-rooted energies around the root chakra. So releasing that, letting go, connecting with the root chakra, connecting with your inner child, and letting go of those energies that's not serving you, that could be blocking your blessings. Because good things, we're exploring the good things. Good things want to come your way, but there's like a message of saying these things need to be addressed. So your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. Okay? Perhaps that Queen of Swords and that Queen of Wands could be, as well as the Emperor, some messages around the parents, a disconnect with the divine masculine and the divine feminine, and reconnecting with that energy so that you can become more aligned. Okay, as we do see that there is this energy of religious factors being present in your read. Okay, for Aquarius. So Aquarius, we're going to check your sun, moon and rising for the angel number that you need to see right now. So the good news coming your way. The good news coming your way. The good news coming your way for Aquarius. Let's have a look and see what wants to come through. Aquarius, you got a lot of messages coming through. We have 666. So reflect. Love, affection, compassion, kindness, attention, self-love. Several unexpected developments will enter your life, Aquarius, and impact how you feel. This is a chance, Aquarius, to reevaluate your identity. You need a mental shift towards greater optimism, self-assurance, and trust. Put your faith in your gut, Aquarius, and in a voice. Pay attention to your feelings, Aquarius, and use them to help you to become a better person. 555, change, just transformation, energy, encouragement, support, obstacle, battle, calling, restructuring, creative work. Aquarius, you are going to level up. It might not feel good initially, and this is what we see with this Four of Cups. It might not feel good, but it will prepare you to handle the greater things in life. Look at this, okay? For your highest good, okay? For your highest good. That is why you've been looking, and that is the why you've been looking for. So push through it, Aquarius. There is a reward waiting at the finish line. Ay, 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 ay. Aquarius, we have the free. Social skills, hope, optimism, liberation, success, prosperity, excitement, enthusiasm. Aquarius, the problems you have today will eventually disappear. Your guardian angels encourage you to maintain a positive outlook on life, since your luck may be about to change. So it's time to put to use your captivating energy and inspirational personality. Don't let your ego get the best of you. So take the messages that resonate, Aquarius, and leave the rest. Big up yourselves. Big up yourselves. Check your moon and your rising. All right. We are moving on to Pisces. All right, moving on to Pisces now. So big up to Pisces. All right, Pisces, we are going to explore the good news coming your way, Pisces. We're exploring the good news coming your way. We just saw that Page of Pentacles. So that could be telling us that there's some message in terms of money and growth for you, Pisces. Pisces, we have the Ace of Cups. So Pisces, this could be telling us that there is some divine blessings of love pouring down on you. Pouring down on you. Again, everyone has free will, you know, if you want it, but it can tell us that love is in the air. Everywhere I look around, love is in the air for you. If you want it, you just gotta embrace it, honey. Yes. Ooh la la. Oi, 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 oi. This could involve taking the opportunity to just focus on your passions, on your dreams. And it could also be a love interest that wants to come your way. Okay? Ooh la la. Let's have a look here. Yes, we have the Knight of Wands in reverse. So this could tell us that perhaps you may have had maybe in your love life or personal life, just some opportunities that just didn't work in your favor. Perhaps some people that was still on the player okay mode, and you was just like, I'm not having it. I'm not here to be playing games with people. Okay. And perhaps you're like, wow, really? The Ace of Cups is here. Okay. And it feels like, yeah, it's saying the message that's coming through is saying, Pisces, yeah, this could be a new opportunity to just, explore and, try a thing, as what we like to say, try a thing. Yes, try a thing, because look at this, the sun. We have the sun. So this could really give you the chance to connect with your inner child. Perhaps it could be meeting somebody who wants the new, they're not here to play games. We have the death card here and the sun. So if someone wants to transform, new energy, regenerate something, letting go of the mind games, the playing games, all those kind of things, inconsistency and things like that. But it's like, it gives you an opportunity to focus on things that you enjoy, things that you want to celebrate, things that you want to bring into your life. Okay, perhaps this could also involve children in your life, or participating in hobbies or interests that you may have had as a child, and connecting with somebody who also enjoys the same things. Ooh la la, ooh la la. But look what we have here. We also have the Two of Swords that was behind just before the sun. So there could be some things about thinking, you know what, maybe I need to let go of thinking that everybody's a player. Maybe I need to let go of thinking that maybe this love, it feels like the message that's coming through, that's love's not for me. You got to let go of that, honey. You got to let go, okay? It feels like anti-self-love wants to come through. Darling, honey, you got to let go. You have to let go of them feeling there, you understand? You have to let it go and realize that love is an entitlement for everybody. It's an entitlement for everybody. Believe in yourself. All right? All right. Remember what anti-self-love say? Love is an entitlement for everybody. All right. Thank you, anti-self-love. You're welcome, darling. So what anti-self-love is simply saying is, love is an entitlement for everybody. It's not just for one person, it's for everyone. However, in life, sometimes life doesn't work out how we might think, oh, life is just A to Z. So life can get from A, stay on A, then goes to B, stays on B, then goes to C, D, E, goes back to A again before it gets to Z. Okay, life has trials and tribulations, and sometimes there's also lessons that we need to learn, whether it's from past life connections or generational things, patterns, okay, that's been passed on to us from our parents, from our elders. And then as that child can then, with the sun being here, can then take on that cycle, okay, and then repeat those same patterns. And the message is saying, don't let those patterns hinder you. Don't let those patterns block you from embracing new, okay? You might have experienced some things in the past, as we see that with the Knight of Wands, okay? And that death, wanting to start anew, fed up of those opportunities. Look at that with the Ten of Wands. Sorry, the Ten of Swords, fed up of it, tired. You know, it's the message I'm getting is like, I'm tired of this. But we have the Temperance. The Temperance is saying, you know what, Pisces, I feel you. But this is your time now, Pisces, to embrace. Don't be this guy. Look at this. Look at this. Collective is coming through again. The Four of Cups. Don't be this guy. Don't be that guy with the Four of Cups. But just you know, just take it. You know, don't take that. Take this. The message that's coming through is, don't take that stress or that hurdle or make it become like a chip on your shoulder, and that you carry that everywhere you go and treat everybody with the same brush. You taint everybody with the same brush because of past experiences, because you could be blocking new experiences from coming through, new and better, big and better, as we like to call it, big and better. Can you say it with me? Big and better. Yeah. Big and better. Yes, big and better. Okay. And it feels like there's a lesson there as well for you, Pisces, to not get caught up in the past, but embrace and be willing to embrace new, because new wants to come into your life, and you have to be open, keep an open mind. Okay. Just, you know, even just saying to yourself, I release old patterns, I release generational patterns, I release these patterns that are not in line, that do not serve me. They do not have any power over me, and I welcome and embrace new opportunities of abundance, love, to flourish in all areas of my life. So let's have a look here. Yes, we have the Six of Cups. So it's like rekindling, okay? Again, it feels like there's definitely an energy of like connecting to that inner child, okay? Perhaps there is some imbalance there, and it's saying to reconnect, okay? Look what we have here, the Tower. The Tower is telling us that there is some transformational energy coming through, some spiritual awakening, maybe some things you're looking back and you're thinking, oh my gosh, this is making sense now. This is why I understand why I've been repeating this pattern, etc., etc. Because now it's saying, look, now once you pick it up, and now and once you realize what you're doing, it starts a new journey. You create you open a new road. Think of Dorothy. I don't know why it's coming through, but think of Dorothy, the Wizard of Oz, trying to find her way back home, and she's recognizing that as she's trying to go back, as she's trying to get herself back home, there's lots of lessons that she has to learn along the way. And it's also a lesson of self-love and believing in herself, okay, as well as her meeting other friends along the way that also needed to learn that through self-love, believing in themselves, reconnecting with that energy helps them to open doors. And the message is saying to really connect with that. Look at that fish there in that cup. That fish can represent fertility. And in terms of what we saw in the early themes of this read with the Empress and the star, the guardian angel Mayahel, it's really giving this energy for you, Pisces, to heal those past wounds, to let go, to release, and to welcome flourishment, if that's even a word, to welcome growth, to welcome expansion, and to let go, because darling, honey, new awaits you, and it wants to shine and let you just embrace. I feel drawn to pull from here again. You see this, it wants to let go of this, and it's going to shine that light, release that, let it go. Pisces, Pisces, we're going to have a look at your love. Let's see what message wants to come through for Pisces. Love messages for Pisces. The good news coming for Pisces. The good news coming for Pisces. The good news coming for Pisces. Oh, Pisces, something trying to come through. Good news coming for Pisces. Love messages for Pisces. Good news. Pisces, look at this. You too also have lots of messages. So getting to know each other as you reveal your innermost selves to each other, your bond deepens. So your bond deepens. Keep an open mind, Pisces. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectations. Look at this. Wedding. This situation involves marriage. Ooh la la. Worth waiting for. Okay, look at that sun energy. Ain't it worth waiting for? Divine timing is at work in your love life. Pisces, forgiving and learning. Look at this. This energy was coming through very strongly for you, Pisces. As you release, as you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your presence, in your present moments. And that's what we saw from the very beginning, Pisces, with the message of the Ace of Cups coming through. So Pisces, we're going to have a look, last but not least, an angel number just before we come to a close. Okay, on the good news coming your way for Pisces. So Pisces, just check your sun, your moon, and your rising. Okay, so good news coming for Pisces. Good news coming for Pisces. Good news coming for Pisces. Let's have a look and see what wants to come through for Pisces. Good news coming for Pisces. Look at all of these juicy Pisces. A lot of messages came through for you. We have the 444, blessings in disguise, obstacles, hardships, strength, building character, experience. There might be some difficulties ahead, Pisces, but you will push through. You got this. If you have been struggling or feeling lost, the winds of change will blow in your favor. You've been suffering or if you've been suffering or feeling lost, some things may fall apart, but you're building the framework for something much better, Pisces. So hang in there. Ooh, oh la la. 1717. Drama alert. Independence. Soul mission. Alone time. Learning and healing. Aspirations. Pisces, take a few deep breaths and focus inward. You need time to think over things and consider your options. At this time, you must rely solely on yourself. You might not believe it, Pisces, but you're heading in the right direction. What appears to be in lull in activity is just a natural part of the process. Pisces, 0505, unexpected shift, divine intervention, sudden challenges. Okay, love, pleasant surprises, gut feeling. Pisces, this number serves as a gentle nudge to pursue whatever interests you most. It is possible that something could rock your boat, but you will end up exactly where you belong, which could be in somebody's arms, your dream job, or abroad, etc. Pisces, 101. So new beginnings, starting over. Intelligence, dynamics, making it difference, failures, personal or spiritual development. Pisces, happiness is linked to self-expression, growth, and experience. Learning from failures is key. So happiness is real, possible and around. So understand, Pisces, it's a process and the pursuit of it. Joy is fluid. It's in the little things and the big ones. So fails are fun, so start fresh. We have 101. It's up to you, Pisces. Moderation, patience, flow, clarity, joy, movement, self-realization, taking action, unconditional love. Pisces, it's time to put those long cherished ideas into action. You will soon come into contact with the appropriate individuals, circumstances, and resources. Eventually, you will experience joy as well as brand new opportunities. So Pisces, trust in the process. Oi, 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 oi. 777, good luck, contentment, prosperity, abundance, spiritual awakening, divine intervention. Pisces, this message is most likely to reach you during intense uncertainty. You'll come out winning from everything that may come your way. It's also a sign, Pisces, that you have much life experience and wisdom to share, yet you'll need enthusiasm and effort to get this message to others. Pisces, 22222, feminine forces. So relationships, balance, prosperity, efficiency, patience, humility. Think of alignment. You can do everything by yourself, Pisces, but life is to be shared. Partner up with the right spirit and you will become a force. Honor commitments and people around. Don't judge, but listen. Last but not least, 666. 6. Great blessings. Self-love, boundaries, needs, good vibes, wisdom, understanding, and letting go. Pisces, nurture yourself, your needs, your desires, and boundaries. Let go of things that are weighing you down. Make space for something meaningful and expand your spirit to all areas of your life. That big love, opportunity, or job needs to squeeze in somewhere. So Pisces, take all those good vibrational messages. Okay, take the ones that resonate and leave. We have to say it with power. Leave the rest. But big up to all of the signs. Okay, do check all of your sun, your moon, and your rising. If you haven't already, please give us a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Big up yourselves. And thank you for being here with me. I hope you've enjoyed the read as much as I have. Okay, and take those juicy, intuitive gems, okay? And always trust your intuition and use your discernment. But big up yourselves, stay blessed, okay? Stay Aries, look good, feel good, and we'll see you on the next one. Do have a look at our other readings, our pick a card readings, our collective readings, and we're now introducing these all sign readings as well. So big up yourselves and gwan.